Hello, this is Joe from Maple Grove, Minnesota. Today I want to talk about how to stop IRS collection. First, I'd like to go over how the IRS collection process works. So they have assessed the taxes and they're demanding for payments. Maybe you ignored it or you didn't get a letter or you can't pay. Now they have issued out of for a final notice that you have 30 days to appeal. Maybe you missed that. Now they are now send your case to the division. This division is responsible for collecting the debt. So what they usually do is depending on if you don't get to them on time, if you have money in your bank account, they might garnish that or tell your employee, tell your employee to start taking out money from your account or maybe going to your IRA. There are so many options on what they want to do. The best way to work with them when you find out that you are in collection is to call them and find out what you need to do to get into compliance, or you could set up a payment plan. At least you're in control of how you're going to pay them than letting them to do whatever they want. The first thing they will require from you is to be in compliance. And when we say tax compliance, is filing, or if there's any missing return, you have to file all the missing return for the last 6 years. That's what they require most of the time. You have to be current on your tax payments. That includes withholding enough money from your W-2 if you're an employee. If you're a self-employed, you own your own business, it's making the estimated payment, or you're also paying the payroll. The advice I do have here is don't just pay. There are ways you could work with tax planning to not throw your money to. It's better to have money to pay your current taxes than throwing money to them if you're not going to get in compliance. Compliance is very key. The other option that you now have after you get into compliance is to look at your alternative. What how to solve your tax problem. The There are three main ways you could solve that. That's currently not collectible. This is simply you can't pay right now, so the IRS will not collect or will not garnish your account, and that has to do with you don't have the means to pay them off right now, so they're going to suspend collecting on you. There's also what we call the offer in compromise, where you pay a penny for a dollar. Basically, you're offering to settle your debt for less than you owe, based your inability to fully pay. The other one is like called installment agreement, which is a form of payment plan. We have three types of it: regular, streamlined, and partial payment. The partial payment is the IRS have 10 years to collect from you, and if they know they can, you'll not be able to pay that amount. They will allow you to pay certain amount just until the collection period ends. If you have anybody that has need help with their tax issues, please feel free to contact me. And I thank you for listening to this. Bye.